Welcome back to my YouTube channel, RideNexus, and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is the Toyota Crown, reimagined. Typically known for its luxury and refinement, this stunning example has been completely transformed with an aggressive wide-body conversion. The image showcases the latest generation Toyota Crown, a model that has historically defined Japanese luxury. But in this iteration, it's been given a significant dose of attitude, trading elegance for a powerful, custom, tuner aesthetic. The shot highlights the rear profile, revealing the massive, flared bolt-on fender arches, a hallmark of custom wide-body styling. These are riveted or bolted to the original bodywork, instantly broadening the car's stance. The car maintains the modern design of the Crown's rear lighting, featuring a sleek, continuous horizontal LED light bar spanning the width of the trunk, capped by sharp, segmented brake lights. Moving down, the car features a heavily modified rear diffuser, likely made of carbon fiber or a high-performance polymer. This piece is not just for looks. It's designed to manage airflow under the car. This race-inspired component is flanked by quad exhaust tips, suggesting a performance upgrade to match the visual overhaul. The vibrant, deep metallic blue paint finish truly makes the wide-body contours pop, contrasting sharply with the dark wheels and diffuser. While the specific designer might be a custom shop, the style is heavily influenced by major Japanese tuners known for their extreme wide-body kits, such as Liberty Walk or Aim Gain. In summary, this is a Toyota Crown transformed into a wide-body street machine. It perfectly blends the base car's modern sedan lines with the aggressive, bolted-on aesthetic of the tuning world. Thanks for watching.